Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to download Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows. Firstly, on Google, search for Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on the first link from Adobe and watch promotional videos or learn about the software. This takes you to the pricing page. Plans are available for individuals, businesses, students, and schools. Pick from various payment options and click the Start Free Trial if you want to test it before buying. Now, it is required to start the download, so you gotta enter your email ID. After you downloaded the software and finished the trial process, just download it, install it, and launch Premiere Pro and start a new project. Install Microsoft VC Runtime or Microsoft Net Framework if needed, and now you're ready to edit your videos like a pro. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.